Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Avrel and this is Home with the Naturalista, and this is actually my very first Vlogmas video, y'all. I am finally able to try out this Vlogmas that I'm always watching every year. But now that I have my own channel, I am blessed enough to try it out and see if I can succeed. So this is Vlogmas Day 1, as you've seen in the title. In this video, I'm actually going to go ahead and just basically clean the master bedroom as always, because the master bedroom is always a mess, as well as undecorating my autumn decor. This was actually done a little before Thanksgiving, but I held out with posting it just to make it something for Vlogmas. I do have 24 more days to go ahead and post every day, and I'm really going to try to stick to this schedule, y'all. Bear with me. This is my first year, but I know I can do it. So as you can see, I am going ahead and just organizing all my makeup, y'all. Everything that does not belong on my vanity is usually on my vanity, as well as all those hair products right there. I have to actually bring it upstairs where they belong, because I actually keep all my hair products in my studio, which you see right here. And I'm going ahead and just putting them where it belongs. And a video is coming to actually see my film room, so stay tuned for that. But for the most part, my master bedroom is a hot mess. The chairs are covered in clothes, and I'm just trying to organize and get everything together. But I'm going to stop talking, let you guys listen to some music, and give you some inspiration and motivation with cleaning, y'all. It's December. Let's go out with a bang with a house cleaning. Awesome. 2020 has been so hard, y'all. Let's sanitize and Lysol down the house to take out all the all the bad vibes, y'all. Take it out. Let's sage the place. Let's sage it. Let's clean, honey. Clean, and get this place ready for 2021, because I pray and trust that it will be a better year. Thank you guys so much. Do not forget to leave without subscribing. Don't forget to click that notification bell, that whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to know. Thank you guys so much, and I really appreciate you checking out my video.